In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically filter and trash emails on Gmail in just 5 minutes. If you're like many of us, you might find that your inbox is getting cluttered with emails that you don't need. Setting up filters to automatically manage and delete unwanted messages can really streamline your Gmail experience. So let's dive into the steps to get this set up and working seamlessly for you. First things first, open up your Gmail and direct your attention to the search bar at the top. You'll see a little icon that looks like a set of sliders. This is the search options icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked, a menu of search options will pop up. This is where you can enter specific criteria to determine which emails you want to filter out. Now, in the field labeled From, type in the email address of the sender whose emails you'd like to automatically delete. This is a great starting point if you're inundated with newsletters or persistent updates that you're ready to part ways with. Make sure to type the address accurately to ensure the filter captures all relevant emails. Next, locate and click on the box that says Has Attachment if you want to delete emails from this sender that come with attachments. Keep in mind, sometimes these attachments can take up unnecessary space in your inbox, making it a handy option to have those directly removed. Once you've filled in these fields, look for and click the Create Filter button at the bottom of this form. This action will take you to a new set of options about what to do with emails that match your criteria. Here, you'll want to choose the option Delete It. By selecting this, any incoming emails from the specified address will be automatically moved to the trash. Finally, you'll want to confirm and finalize this process by clicking the Create Filter button once again. This means that from now on, Gmail will handle these messages for you, making your list of messages more manageable and less cluttered. There you have it. You've successfully set up a filter to manage and trash specific emails. Remember, you can repeat these steps and tailor your filters to suit different senders or email types until your inbox feels just right. It's a powerful way to maintain a clean and efficient email experience. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoy less clutter in your inbox going forward. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.